Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on uploading full quality content to Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have tried uploading HD content to Facebook only for it to downgrade the quality, here is how you can make Facebook upload in full HD. Open the Facebook app. Then tap the three lines button from the bottom right menu. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Preferences and select Media. Here at the bottom of these settings there are two options for uploading videos in HD and uploading photos in HD. Turn both of these on. From now on, your photos and videos will post to Facebook in HD quality. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.